is Carmela snoring.
Oh, they're cute. Love it in mine.
So when Mrs. Johnson was first here, you're not sure why it mattered.
I told her it was orange and cotton. Oh? It's kind of a secret project on my side. What's that secret project on? Not very well. Nancy's going to go map very much.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Almost there. She'll start snoring a lot in a minute.
They're crazy. Oh, isn't that sweet?
You like it? That's the best idea ever.